Hello, and welcome to SwahiliTalkLab, a place where we learn practical Swahili for everyday life. Today we kick off the Swahili numbers lessons, starting with numbers 0 to 20. And you can join our Swahili learning community at www.patreon.com/SwahiliTalkLab, where you will get downloadable lesson transcripts, free practice worksheets for the lessons, and have access to our videos in advance. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on what lessons you would like us to cover next. So, karibu kwa darasa la 4. Nambari za Kiswahili 0 to 20. And do take note of numbers 1 to 10, which form the foundation of Swahili numbers. We shall use them frequently through these numbers lessons. And you can repeat the numbers after me to get the proper pronunciation. And we start with the first number, which is Sifuri. Moja, Mbili, Tatu, Nane, Tano, Sita, Saba, Nane, Tisa, Kumi. And from here we get to a new section from number 11 moving forward, where the format of the naming these numbers changes a little bit. We start with Kumi, which is 10, followed by Na, which is Swahili for the conjunction and, then Moja, which is 1, and it becomes Kumi na Moja. That is Kumi na Moja. Remember, all the numbers from 11 to 19 will follow the same naming format as seen in the following numbers. Kumi na mbili, Kumi na tatu, Kumi na nne, Kumi na tano, Kumi na sita, Kumi na saba, Kumi na nane, Kumi na tisa, kisha Ishirini. That is Ishirini, which is number 20. We get to practice time. In this lesson, we practice saying our phone numbers using the numbers we have just learned. And you can try doing so with the number provided. Then we can check if your answers are correct. And the answer is Sifuri. Moja. 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 Mbili. Nane. Sita. Saba. Tano. Nane. Did you get it right? And now you can comfortably tell your phone number in Swahili. And finally, we'll recap the numbers we've learned so far in Swahili. And the numbers are Sifuri, Moja, Mbili, Tatu, Nne, Tano, Sita, Saba, Nane, Tisa, Kumi. Kisha Kumi na moja, Kumi na mbili, Kumi na tatu, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, mwisho 20. 20. Well, that is the end of our lesson today. Hope you learned something, and do join us for the next numbers lesson, where we will cover numbers 21 to 100. And for now, it's Kwaheri from Swahili Talk Lab. And remember to like, subscribe, and comment on what lesson you'd like to see next on this channel. So, goodbye.